Hi guys, today on the Glitter Rainbow Toys channel, we will be looking at the Just Like Home washing machine. Firstly, I'll just add some water into the door so that the water can spin around when it's washing. This is the compartment to put some pretend soap in. The first button is the pre-wash cycle, when all the water goes into the washing machine. The next one is the spin cycle. The third one is the full washing cycle. And the fourth one is the rinse cycle. Okay, let's play a tricky game. I'm going to put some blue cotton, some blue pom-pom balls, and some white ribbon into the washing machine. I'm clicking the rinse cycle, and let's see what happens. Cool! We have a blue gown for a doll. I think I might put this one on Elsa at the end of the video. It's very pretty. Okay, next one I'm going to put some glitter and some paints and some rainbow colored pom-poms. Everything's in now. And let's see what happens. Cool! A rainbow dress! I wonder which doll I'll put this one on. Maybe Anna. Okay, next one I'll put some red cotton and some red pom-pom balls, and let's see what comes out. Wow, a velvety dress. Maybe Anna will like that one. Okay, some pink pom-pom balls, some more red cotton, and a white ribbon. Okay, last one. Lovely! A pink rose dress. So here they all are, all nicely dressed and all gowned up. So guys, what did you think of the washing machine toy? It's a pretty cool pretend toy to play with. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a lovely day and see you next time.